What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to save some money by changing out your cabin air filter by yourself. Now for those of you guys that don't know, a cabin air filter helps filter out air that's coming from outside of your car to the inside of your car so that it helps you breathe better. Now what I'm going to show you in this video is specific to a 2017 Honda Civic, but the concept can pretty much be applied to any car. So here's the packaging. Now this is something that the dealer would charge you roughly $100 to change. Don't do that. I'm going to show you how to easily change it here really quick. So here's the cabin air filter itself in the nice plastic packaging. Now the first thing you want to do is locate your glove box. So I have my glove box here. Now depending on your car, you want to pinch in and remove the glove box, but don't break it like I did here. So pinch it in this case, and push it down, and it'll give you access to the location of the filter. So you can see here it says airflow pointing down. This is the panel that you have to remove so you can pull out the old filter. So all you have to do here is stick both hands into the panel, unlatch both clips on each side, and once you get that, you can pull off the panel. Now for this car specifically, there are two clips. You want to push the two clips in and then pull it out. You see one clip here, push that in, then the other clip, push those in, and then pull it out. Simple as that. Now this gives you access to the filter itself. Go ahead and stick your hand in there and pull it out. So as you can see, this filter is still pretty clean, but I've used it for roughly 12,000 miles now. I think it's about time to change it. You can see on the side there's an arrow pointing down. Make sure you match that up to your car. So we're going to grab the new filter here, tear it off from the packaging, and just stick it back in. Make sure you match, in this case, flip it upside down so the arrow points down and it matches up with the car. Put it back in the same way you took it out, and that's pretty much it. So place that panel back on, push it in on each side to lock in the clasps, and that's pretty much it. Go ahead and put your glove box back in, pinch the sides, push it up, and you've just saved $100. Thanks for watching guys, and take care.